Alright everyone, quick update. Just got my grill today and decided to put my grill inserts in. Of course I ordered a new emblem and separately, and this grill came with the emblem, but you know, whatever. I got the insert in. I think I got this from American Muscle. Not that it's, you know, not that they built it themselves, I don't think. I'm not real pleased with the quality of the grill. Like this side here, it doesn't sit flush. It kind of goes in towards the center and out towards the, and there's no real way to like fix that I can see. The grill itself, I've had to fix some of the bars in it so that they sit straighter. And this one here, I don't think I can fix that. The bar is literally, it's welded there and it's crooked. Like it, and this one doesn't sit as crooked for whatever reason. This one sits a little more straight. This one for sure, it sits crooked. I might try and see if I can put some spacers, but then I don't. Might try to see if I can use a spacer or something maybe to. I don't know if that would work. The screws are okay that they give you, but I can't tell if they're stainless steel or not. They look kind of like chrome steel to me, which means that within no amount of time being outside that they're cheaply painted, that they're going to start rusting and then it's going to look like crap. I mean, it kind of fits okay in the center. Like this one, this bar right here doesn't really kind of fit right. Like none of the other ones seem to touch except down there. That bar touches where the bottom of the horse feet are. Then they don't touch, then they don't touch. Then it touches here, and then it definitely touches there. And then it, like I get good spacing around there, and then right at the very bottom, if you can see, right at the very bottom, it touches where the light goes, and then it doesn't really touch anywhere around here. Touches the same spot over here, touches the light pod at the bottom, and then it does touch over here, but then no place else. So just a heads up, like I'm gonna go ahead and use it, because what's the point of trying to order another one and then turn around and it's gonna be just as bad, you know, sending this one back or whatnot. But it'll look good from across the parking lot. I also thought that the grill behind it, I thought that you would have to cut that out or whatever, but I guess that's also not part of it, so I don't know. I think it'll be noticeable, but just kind of set it up there. Yeah, it looks cool on there. Dam and everything. And like I'm critiquing it because I'm right up close and looking at it, but when you just stand back and you don't see any of that stuff. Especially the bottom part of the light pod the grill's touching, you don't see that. Because most people are, like I kneel down right now, most people are standing up. Just my thoughts on it though.